In this video, I'll show you how to install and replace your ink cartridge inside of your Canon PIXMA 2525 or 2522, 2520. It's all the same printer, so it will work the same way as the one I'm showing. So what you need to do is to go over here. There's a door. You're gonna lower it just by pulling it out. And the printer cartridges will be presented to you around here. Now, to know where to put it, it's very easy. It even says here, you see color on the left side, black on the right side. Always remember this. If you didn't install any ink cartridge yet, the slot is empty, you will need to do the following. So to install it, well, first remove it from the small package. Then you need to rip this orange sticker. Never put your finger on the print head over here and never touch these contacts as well. Take your ink cartridge this way, hold it, just pinch it over here. And you need to put with these contacts first, this way, and the print head pointing down. You just have to glide it over here in its slot. I know it's hard to see, but okay, glide it. And it needs to click, so you can push it with your thumb. I find this is the easiest solution. Let me show you again. So you glide it like this, and then last step is to push with your thumb and try to push up like this so it clicks in place. Now, to remove an ink cartridge that is already installed, it's very easy. You're gonna take your finger and you're going to put it on top of the ink cartridge and you're going to push it down. Let me show you. It needs to unclick and then you just need to drag it out. Let me show you again. Okay, so you're going to put your finger on the top of the ink cartridge and push down. It needs to click, you need to hear it. Then you can drag it out and put a new one. Then you just have to close this door and you're done. Usually the printer will make some noises, it's perfectly normal. Just wait a minute before start printing. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, write a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to this channel, check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video.